Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you which app store to use on Lenovo LOQ 15. So by default it comes with the Microsoft Store, which I have on my taskbar, but if you don't, then you can just use the search to search for Microsoft Store. Then here you can download all of the apps that you want. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. There are many different apps. There are also games that you can get. You can see some are free and some also are paid. It just depends. Although if you are experienced with using Windows or computer at all, then you can just install programs from the browser. So if you want, you can just install them here, like by searching for them, but make sure that if you're downloading an app, it's from a trusted source. So for example, if I were to download Google Chrome, I shouldn't do that by downloading it from weird sites. It should be from google.com. And the same goes to any program. Only download programs that you trust and from trusted sources, from the official sources of the program, and you should be fine. So if you download a program, then it'll just download an exe file that you can open and install the program, and it'll run on your laptop. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.